right, John, that looks nasty. Now, what's
All right.
what's one of the many projects you've been working on with this Jeep?
It's amazing because you could watch video on top of video on top of video. There's a lot of videos out there with the same job over and over and over again.
And what is this one?
This is taking off the differential cover,
Okay.
and then changing the fluid. So in
Okay.
our situation, my cover was so rusted, it got to the point all the screws came out easy, except for of course one. One actually broke.
Oh, geez.
Well, first it stripped, you know, the head,
Okay.
and so then I had to grind the head off. I had to drill into it, and then I used an easy out.
Easy out.
You know, which I'm going to show, because these are the things nobody ever shows everybody.
Okay.
Because not everybody goes through, you know, where all the screws come out hunky-dory and everything works wonderful.
That's an easy out?
All right, so this after I broke the head, right? So I
Okay.
ground it off.
Yeah.
You drill it, and then you take this device.
And that's
Stick
what's
it
called
in.
the easy out.
Yeah, and what it does is it screws in reverse, and then as you turn this thing, it pulled it out.
Okay.
So, you know, so now I could still utilize the bolt holes that are originally equipped with the head, with that, you know, the differential. So,
Okay. And you bought the replacement from Amazon, I think, right?
yeah, I wound up getting a Dorman cover because I anticipated some trouble, but I didn't anticipate like breaking bolts. Well, a bolt, I should say. It's
Okay.
a bolt. But you know, this Jeep has been,
Through hell and back.
yeah, it's been a rough. It goes through the roughest time of the year all the time.
All right. So this sounds like a quick tip video for
Quick tech
everybody.
video. You know, when you do your differential, you run into problems. You know, these can come
The
in
easy
handy.
out.
Yeah, you grind the head off the bolt, you drill, and then you just use that to pull
And
it
your
out.
easy out came from where?
I wound up getting it from Lowe's.
Lowe's.
Yep.
And it was how much?
It was like 15 bucks for a set.
Oh, you get a set.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, great tip.